Oh, 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 she just opened the wrong side.
Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. Welcome back to Family Style. Let me show you one of my easy weeknight meals that I make for my family. You're gonna love it. It's chicken sausage and ravioli on the Blackstone in like 5-10 minutes. You're gonna love it. Let's start this off with slicing up a shallot. I've got a gigantic one and I'm gonna leave it in big rings. Then pick your favorite chicken sausage. I love it because it's already cooked. And I love all the different flavors you can find in the store. This one's got garlic and Asiago. Slice it into coins. Now we're ready to get cooking on to the Blackstone with a little oil and butter. Let that start to melt, then drop down your shallots. To that, we're gonna add our cherry bomb cherry tomatoes. These are so sweet and add so much flavor. Next up, some garlic paste, which is another shortcut for someone like me who does love and swear by fresh garlic. This stuff is great. Add your chicken sausage. We're moving fast here, which is why I love this dinner. Toss it all together. This is a lot of tossing with every step of this recipe. As those tomatoes start to cook and burst open, they're releasing juices, which is gonna help our refrigerated ravioli. I went with the sausage flavor to match the profile. Let them toss to coat in all of those tomatoes and the juices. Now let's grab our dome and let that steam help cook these even more. After a few minutes, pull it off. Next up, a big handful of spinach. I love adding tons of it. This is another good way that I love adding veggies to my kids' dinners since it wilts down into nothing. Give it a seasoning of our Parmesan Ranch and our Blackstone Tuscan Herb. Now over the top with a whole jar of Alfredo sauce, a big handful of Pecorino Romano cheese. Locatelli is the best cheese if you can find it. And that is literally it. Back to my big pasta bowl, fill it up, load it up, and top it off with a little extra or a lot extra of that Pecorino Romano cheese and some Tuscan herb. A little sprinkle is all you need.
A little,
just a little sprinkle is all you need. So open up the right side of that Tuscan herb, and then, you know, it's a little over-seasoned in this area, so just stay away from right there. But everything else, Ethan, does this not smell amazing? You said it smelled amazing.
Yeah.
You said it smelled amazing even before it hit, or the ravioli even hit. Just the tomatoes, the shallots, and the sausage, and the garlic. All of it.
So everything.
It's so good. Yeah. So what you do at home, you pick your favorite sausage from the store, go with that chicken flavored sausage, go with any kind of refrigerated flavored ravioli, and you've got dinner in 10 minutes. I know I'm dying to eat. I know you're dying to eat. I know my sister over there is watching. She's dying to eat. So it's time to dig in. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you for another family style favorite in the next video. That was a big bite. Enough, Ethan.